Hi friends! Today we're going to bring the wise and green Jedi Master, Yoda, to life on paper. Grab your markers and let's get started.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
Remember, the most important thing is to have fun with your art. Don't worry about being perfect, just enjoy the process.
Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell.
Our Yoda is complete. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Want to try another fun drawing? Check out my other videos for more cute and easy tutorials. On the left you can check out the Star Wars playlist with fun and easy drawings of all characters. And on the right is the video YouTube selected just for you. See you in the next one. Bye.